Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? So welcome to another episode of ACUK Online. I hope you're all doing well and your IELTS preparation is going well. So today I thought that I'll speak about the reading section of the IELTS examination, especially about the section which gives the questions on true, false, not given. These questions can appear in two forms. You could either have true, false, not given, or yes, no, not given. All right? So the answers to true are obviously very easy because true means that information is there in the passage and whatever is written, whatever statement is written, it is true, right? It is correct. False is, of course, going to be the contradiction of what is given. And not given means that that statement is not there on the passage at all. Now, what students get confused in is in the false and not given. When they look at a contradictory statement, they think that it is not given rather than false. And when they look at a statement that is, they're unsure whether it's false or not given, they kind of confuse between the two. Not given would be something that is not there at all. That section is not there at all. That statement is not there at all. That idea is not there at all. Right? So what happens with a lot of students is that they look at the questions of true, false, not given, and they sort of skim over it and they just move ahead thinking that they will do it afterwards, and then when they come to the end of the passage they find that they don't have enough time to finish it. So I would suggest that you should take true, false, not given in your stride, because sometimes some reading exams have more than one set of true, false, not given. So that means you're losing out on a lot of marks. So take it in your stride, read the wording very carefully. Go to that section of the passage and look at the wording very carefully. Many a time synonyms are used. So something is said differently in the question and differently in the passage. So look at the wording very carefully and try and understand what the meaning is. Don't just look at one word and think that this is the answer. Try to look at the choice of, words like despite or in spite or on the other hand, so that's how you're going to get the idea that this is what the question is saying. So the wording of the question has to be looked at very carefully. And once you're able to understand what the meaning is, then I think you'll be good to go. But don't be afraid of true, false, not given. Don't be fearful of it and skim over it. Do it carefully, try and do it carefully, and try and look at it in a way that it's understood to you. You should have a clarity in the meaning, right? So best of luck with your IELTS, and this was for the reading section. You can refer back to one of my other videos where I've told you how to solve the reading passages in the IELTS examination. And pretty soon I've been promising you something on writing. Hopefully I'll try and do that today or tomorrow. So you'll have something in terms of writing as well. And please put up your questions and your queries and let me know what I'm, how I'm doing. Let me know if there's more that you need from me. Okay, take care, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.